Hey kids, we're out today and we're walking up a creek. So I got a little black rooster tail on my fishing pole here and we're wading up this creek and we're going to see if we can find something. Hopefully we can. Here's my fishing partner. Oh, that's a nice fish. A nice one.
Oh, he's a pretty little guy.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, let me get you a picture. Get your picture of your little fella here. Okay, so this is basically what we do. Is we do what they call creek crawling. Find a good public access and just wade creeks. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is what we're talking about. The fry have just hatched out. Some of those guys are about 1 inch long or so. Tadpoles are out. Little tiny schools of them everywhere. I hope this shows up pretty good or not. We're just wading through the creek and these little guys are swimming around everywhere. Okay. I'm not sure if I got that or not, but maybe you can see some of them in the water there. There's a group of them right there. Yeah, you should be able to see those guys right there. Let me see if I can zoom in and see them a little bit better. See them there? We're seeing that everywhere, which means great. That's a good sign of life. But you never know. His uncle might be here somewhere. Hey kids, we're out again on a expedition to see if we can find something that we'll bite today. It has not rained in this area for 3 weeks or so. It's been a long time. The river levels are low. We're searching for pockets. Not much yet. The spawn is over in some areas. Generally we're seeing fry about anywhere from like 1 inch to maybe 3 inches depending on where we've been traveling. But we found this creek close by and we're going to check it out and see if we can't find a couple holes where maybe they're bed down since we're in this kind of semi-drought area, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're still working our way down this stream. The water is gorgeous. The fry are everywhere, but the water levels are so low. We're talking maybe 8 to 10 inches, sometimes at most. A few very deep holes, very, very sparse. So we're just going to keep wading down the river here and seeing what we can find. I'm just kind of working my way back at the moment. I hope I got all this.
That's a pretty fish.
About maybe 12 inch? Maybe?
Right on that bone in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, okay. He might be little, but he's still chunky. Getting it?
He is.
That birdie.
Look at that belly on him.
Oh my gosh, he's been eating something. Probably all them little fry we've been seeing.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Ah, right between your legs. Right over there he is. There he goes. He's went right behind you. That was awesome. Catch his daddy. I have no idea if I've got this on you or not. I can't see the screen at all.
Oh, I had brothers there with him.
Well then,
His brother was just there.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now I got you. Okay, now I know I got you. Oh, that's a nice fish, babe. Oh, go get him.
This is a nice fish.
Okay, I'm coming closer. So that way I can actually see what's... Oh, that is a beautiful fish. Because you're in the sun and I have... Okay, there we go. Here, now we got it. That's a little better. Now I can tell what I'm filming. That's a... Oh, he's chunky. Oh, my word, he's chunky. A nice smallie.
Oh, buddy.
Let's go get his daddy.
Hey, this is the daddy.
He might be the daddy. Can you get it okay?
It's just that little treble hook is hard to... I didn't have him hooked very well.
Oh, he's beautiful. Hold him up there to your arm just to get a perspective there, to your other arm. Oh, that's nice. He's pretty. His belly's fat too. Let him go back to eat. Maybe he'll come onto my lure.
Want to feel how heavy he is?
I can't hold him and a rod and everything at the same time. You go right ahead. You go right ahead and put him back. Because we don't want to keep him out too long. We want him to grow bigger. There you go, buddy. That's it. Go back over there where I can catch you. Good fish. Hey kids, we're out again. We're in one of our favorite places locally to go fishing. So far the fish whisperers caught 2 and it's been like less than 45 minutes. But I wanted to point out something to you. And it's in footwear. Normally I take and use a pair of old athletic shoes. And I am the queen of, I have found rocks in my shoes and it just bugs my feet like crazy. So we went to the local retail store lately and bought a pair of these pool waders, and I tell you something, them things are working great. So next time you're out and about and you want to try to do something like that, pick up a pair of cheapies at the local store, the wet waders. They hang to the rocks pretty good and they're a lot less expensive than going some of the other big box stores. So we're still fishing, hoping to have a good time. Check back in a bit.
Oh, it's a nice one.
You getting him? Oh, look at that.
Another nice one.
That's a good one, honey.
Yes, it is.
He's pretty. Or she.
Yep.
A little
on
black
that bone.
Oh, daggone it. Always on that bone.
There we go.
Oh, he's bleeding. Something got his tail. Look at his tail's bleeding.
That's because it was not me.
Something else is trying to eat him.
Or take a bite out of him. Generally, that's a turtle. But, nice fish, just the same. Very nice. Ready?
Yep. There he goes.
Boy, he put up a good fight there. little guy.
What is it?
It's a smallmouth.
Is it? I can't tell from here.
Pretty little guy.
Oh,
He was a dancing too. Did you see him?
I did.
He went clear up in the air.
He needs to grow up a little bit.
Yes, he does. I caught him down here in the shore.
Did you?
Okay, he can go back and grow up, fella.
There he goes. It's a nice little guy. Well, maybe 10-inch? Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, the span of your hand is typically about 8 inches or so. If you can spread it out from like top to bottom there. Like yay.
Let's lift it off that bone. Pretty little guy.
There he goes. I think this is number 6. I don't know. He has missed so many of them. I've caught 1. He has landed, I think, 5 and missed at least 2 or 3 or more. I'll let him grow back up. And another one. He just caught another one just not more than 5 minutes ago. He's in a black rooster. And another fish. Probably 10-inch. He's cute. Let's see if I can zoom in there a little bit. There you go. We're going to go find his big brother. Good fish, baby.